Good evening to all of you, my dear friends. I have decided to teach the topic of TGT, PGT, GIC lecture means and different topics that a variety of questions may be asked in different exams. You have seen a lot of scholars who are doing the hard work but are not getting the success in the field of education. There is a lot of negative minds who are working in daily routine. It will be more negative views which stand as a barrier not to get the success. I have selected the topic. My topic is periods of English literature. What is the role? The periods of English literature. Many type of questions related to the different periods may be asked. You have participated in the examination of GIC lecturer. One question has been asked by UP Public Service Commission, Prayagraj, which has conducted the examination of GIC lecturer, has mentioned the English literature of one questions, periods of English literature. When I shall discuss with elaboration, then I shall mention these questions that has been asked by commissions. First question is different type of question that will be asked. Different periods have divided in English literature. Today I have decided to point out the different periods of English literature that is need to mention in front of you. First is Old English period or Anglo-Saxon period. Old English period or Anglo-Saxon period. The date of Old English period or Anglo-Saxon period is 450 to 1066. Next is Middle English period 1066 to 1500. Next is the Renaissance period 1500 to 1600. Elizabethan period. What is the age of Elizabethan period is 1558 to 1603. Jacobean period 1603 to 1625. Caroline period 1625 to 1649. 1625 to 1649. Commonwealth and Protectorate period 1649 to 1660. 1649 to 1660. Same type of questions in TGT and PGT examination it may be asked. You will be more active and more sincere to crack the examination. Competitive exam is not very difficult. It is very easy. But difficult task is to understand the pattern of questions and pattern of the topics. That topics which has mentioned in TGT and PGT syllabus, you will read very carefully one by one line. Then you have to make a strategy to solve all variety of questions that will be asked in the examination point of view. It will be more easy task for you to crack the exam in future time. You have dedicated to do the hard work, but your strategy is very loose and 2 or 3 hours devotions not to get a fruitful result, then you will analyze of your working conditions in daily routine, it will be more prosperous for you to analyze himself. Variety of personalities are doing the hard work in different directions, but you have to understand what is the method of getting the success. You read the success personalities story by which it will be more easy task for you to crack it. Next is neoclassical period 1660 to 1800. And next is the restoration period. Same question in GIC lecture 2021. GIC lecture 2021, which was conducted 19 October 2021. 19 September, not October, 19 September 2021. Same type of questions has been asked. Same type of questions has been asked. What is the era 1660 to 1700? Next is the Augustan age or age of the Pope. Augustan age or age of the Pope 1700 to 1745. 1700 to 1745. The age of sensibility or age of Johnson. Age of sensibility or age of Johnson is 1745 to 1798. The Romantic period is 1798 to 1830. I have consulted many type of personalities who have got the chance in interview. Questions may be asked in Romantic period. What is the era of Romantic period and what is the date? Examiner or those who are taking the interview may be asked same type of questions for the examination. Then you have to more active of your memory to crack the interview program and to read the memory of himself in daily routine, then it will be more easy task for you to crack it. The Victorian period 1832 to 1900. 1832 to 1900. The pre-Raphaelite 1848 to 1860. Aesthetic or decadence 1880 to 1901. The Edwardian period 1901 to 1914. And you have observed 1914 First World War occurred. First World War occurred. The history of English literature has affected the poet's mind. The First World War. The history of English literature have affected the poet's mind of the First World War. First World War not only affected the economic system of my country or others' country, but they have affected the literary fields. Variety of emotional views poets regarded to do the hard work, how many type of poems there is need to publish in the current time, because I have observed variety of notions, variety of views of the personalities who have affected and who have participated in the battlefield, in the war field. They left of his own families. A lot of pain, a lot of loss, poets and different personalities have faced. Then First World War has affected the views at the current time. Next is the Edwardian period 1901 to 1914. The modern period 1901 to 1945. Modern period 1901 to 1945. The Edwardian period 1901 to 1914. The Georgian period 1910 to 1936. The Georgian period 1910 to 1936. It is the Georgian period and last the postmodern period 1945 in current time. When a common and poor student, I am not saying that poor student, what is the meaning of poor here that I am going to mention in front of you. Poor means those students who have not captured variety of knowledge in the field of English literature, they are poor of the knowledge. They are the poor of the knowledge about the history. Why I am saying the poor? Poor not only in the sense of economic condition, but poor means sense of different condition. Poor is the cause of weakness. Poor is the cause of weakness, and these weakness also affect your internal part of your mind, that is working in daily routine. That is working in daily routine. So I have decided to teach in the field of literature, and literature is very easy course, not only difficult course. Within 6 or 4 months, if you are 100% fully dedication, then whole syllabus 2 or 3 times after devoting of his 10 or 15 hour, you can capture the courses and crack the examination within 6 months, I have guarantee. Because your views is traveling one place to another place, and your goal is not decided and fixed in one direction. And this goal that you have decided, it will be stand as a hindrances due to many circumstances arises in your surrounding lives and in your family lives. Different type of views, those who have not struggled in his own life are giving the direction of you and affect your minds, and it will be more fertile. It will be more fertile of your physical and mental personality. Physical personality is another part, but mental personality also frustrated, and you cannot get the success of his whole life. So I have decided to you, and in the current times you have seen the vacancies of assistant professor without PhD. Those students who have qualified the NET and these examination, you can fill the form. So in the current time that I have given the task for you, the periods of English literature, one by one section I have explained in front of you. You read and copy into the memory 100% in interview and written exam. 2 or 3 questions may be asked. Thanks a lot. Best of luck for your future life.